Welcome to Planting Joy Garden. I want to just take 5 minutes to talk about how I protect my vegetables from squirrels, skunks, possums, and raccoons. I'm trying to protect them from anything that has thumbs. So we're going to start here with my squash plants, and this is a perfect example. I am growing butternut squash here. And as you can see, I have placed the squash on a trellis, so it's not on the ground where it can be accessed real easily by skunks, possums, squirrels. I do have it in a sling to give it some support and also to kind of disguise the appearance of my squash. So as you can see with this butternut squash, I have it in an old t-shirt, and the t-shirt should not be clean because you want to put a scent there. So that's one method to trellis it up off the ground out of the reach of squirrels, possums, and skunks, and also to disguise it. I have a dog, and he's back there in the bushes, and he shares the yard with animals. Now, the second thing I do is I leave a scent trail. As you can see, I have a dog here who goes all through the yard, and what I do is I leave his scent. So I take little puffs of dog fur and I clip it to the side of the beds where my veggies are growing. And this is a renewable source, so I never run out of dog fur. And I just clip it on all sides of the bed. I also have it clipped on the trellis, and this scent will stay in the yard. And so by having a scent on my trellis and around the bed, it sends the signal to the squirrels, the possum, and the skunks that the dog is nearby. And as you know, par for the course, I have lots of trees. He thinks it's his personal job to keep the squirrels from touching the ground, so they know his smell and they are conditioned to know that he's out and about. So I want to make sure I leave his scent all over the garden. So that's one way that I do it. And of course, anyone with a dog knows that when you wet dog hair, the scent is intensified. The other thing I do is I apply a little peppermint oil to the t-shirts, to the slings where I'm actually supporting the squash. Peppermint oil is a very intense smell. Squirrels, possums, skunks, and raccoons, they absolutely hate the smell of peppermint. So by applying a little peppermint oil to these slings, and it can be applied over and over again, you're not applying it to the actual fruit. What I do is I drop a few drops of oil on the knots of the slings. Okay, and because it's an oil, it doesn't readily wash away. So do not apply it directly to the fruit. You want to apply it to the knots. So that's 3 ways that I protect my fruits and protect my harvest from those little guys with thumbs, those squirrels, those possums, and those raccoons. If this has been helpful in any way, please push that like button and have an amazing day. God demonstrated his own love towards us, and that while we were sinners, Christ died for us.